Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I've seen this arts and crafts project that you can do with your kids. I've seen it on Instagram, so I decided to try it. So what you'll need is a canvas, some paint, some tape, and some scissors. And also you're gonna need a plastic clear bag. I just got this bag from Walmart. It's like a clear trash bag, but it works out perfectly, okay? So anyways, I'm just gonna take the little paper off the canvas or whatever, and then you will see how I prepare to tape his name. Okay, so I'm using this blue painter's tape, and his name is Kai, and it's spelled Kai. So that's why I got this bigger canvas, kind of so we can kind of fill up the whole canvas since his name is so short. But if your child has a longer name, of course, you want to make the letters smaller or whatever. But yeah. So basically, as you can see, I'm just going to try my best to get it as neat as possible. But you're going to see me taping the K, A, and then the I. Y'all, for some reason, Kai just kept wanting to walk on the canvas. Okay, he kept wanting to walk on the canvas of our little arts and crafts project, y'all. But anywho, yeah, as you can see, I'm just taping his name, real easy, simple. And also I recommend that, like, for instance, this trash bag that I have out now, I'm going to be actually using that one. But I recommend you put like another trash bag under that one, because paint can squirt out of the plastic bag if you're not careful. So just to be, super careful, I guess, just go ahead and get 2 bags. Alright, y'all, so these are the colors that I'm using. Trey actually bought me like a really big paint set with different size canvases, and they also came with these paint colors. He got this for me for Christmas because he know his girl so well, and he know I love to paint, and it's just a good stress reliever. So whenever I got time, I like to do arts and crafts and stuff like that. So he went ahead and bought me this. So what I'm doing is just picking out some colors that I'm gonna put on there, and I really wasn't going for like any particular color scheme. I just wanted a lot of colors. Like, I feel like that would be fun for him, and especially with him being a boy, I was like, let's just do all type of colors, all type of fun colors or whatever. But here I'm just making sure that it fits in the bag, because this is how you're going to put it in the bag once you put the paint on it. So now that I got it halfway in, I'm just gonna kind of pull it out, and I'm just gonna dab some color all over the canvas. I'm putting it all on the white areas, and yeah, just doing different colors as you can see, just like that. And then you want to just slide it back into the bag like this, and I'm gonna show you guys in a second how to actually get the colors moved around or whatever. But as you can see, I'm tucking the bag just to kind of, minimize any extra mess or whatever. Alright, so now what you want to do is sit your toddler down and just let him go over the paint. Just let him get wild with it, But y'all, Kai did not want, he was not with it. He was like, no, he did not want to do it. So, but basically, you see how I'm moving my hand around and stuff. That's what you want to do. And y'all, the funny thing is, he didn't want to do this part, but once it was done, y'all, he kept wanting to touch it and hold it and play with it and all kind of stuff. And I'm like, boy, you could have did that, when we was actually painting it. But look at his little cute self. Oh, look at him. But anyways, yeah, they'll just move the paint around on the canvas, and it's super, super easy. And caution, I should have known this, but I did not know this. The more you, I guess, swoosh the paint around or whatever, the more, the darker it's gonna get. So yeah, keep that in mind. You want it to be, you just want it to be nice, but the more you switch the colors around, the darker it's gonna get. Just keep that in mind. But you want to make sure that paint is covering all of the white areas really good. Alright, y'all, so you want to let this dry overnight, and then after it dries, you simply just want to pull the tape off of it. Oh yeah, y'all, and before you let it dry overnight, once you're done or your kid's done with the paint, you want to pull it out of the bag. You don't want to let it dry in the bag. I would recommend pulling it out of the bag and then setting it somewhere where your kid can't get it or where it won't get messed up to let it dry. But anyways, after that, y'all, it's real easy. I'm just gonna pull off the tape, and once you kind of find where it starts, it's really easy. But I do want you guys to take your time when taking off the tape, just because you can just kind of snag the paint a little bit and have it a little chipped somewhere where you don't want it chipped. But yeah. Alright, y'all, and that's all for our arts and crafts project. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram at Slayed by Tamia, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.